Yes, hello everyone. It's Pluto Trade here. Okay, so as you can see, we opened up for 6 p.m. We took out this daily low right here with this candle opening. We swap out this daily sell side liquidity, and we dive into this volume imbalance right here on the daily chart. That's bullish price action. The volume imbalance act just like if a value gap, where the market would just come down, retest, and then shoot higher. So the drawn liquidity is these Friday's high and the other Friday's high. It's all those highs up here. That's the drawn liquidity right now. So coming into tomorrow morning for New York AM session, I expect maybe like a pullback into the range. It could run up, do like a pullback, and then continue higher. We could see something like that coming in for New York session. Let's go to the 4 hour chart to see what's going on. On the 4 hour chart so far, there is kind of like a small fair value gap here, very small fair value gap in a volume imbalance here at the same time. And then we also have this inversion fair value gap out here. You might not see it, but from here to over here, because that's a fair value gap, I count that as. And then we also had the liquidity void that got filled. So this is inversion area right here. So this is bullish price action over here. It might look a lot of barcodes, but that's just what do you call that? That's time distortion. So more than likely we'll see price come out and go for these highs. We also have a 4 hour fair value gap here. I think price will make an attempt to come and fill it and turn this into an inversion and take out these highs, and then hopefully this high and maybe up here. Might not happen today, or might happen might not happen tomorrow, might happen on Tuesday, but we'll see based on how price is moving. Let's go to the 1 hour chart to see what we have next. On the 1 hour chart, we saw price drop down. We have a bullish order block right here. I'm not going to use that one because this is the lowest down close candle. It's lower than this one, so I'm going to qualify this as the bullish order block. So we kind of hit that. And then now we're coming back up. So, and you can also qualify this one as a bullish order block, or that one too could also be qualified as a bullish order block because it's the lowest down close candle above all of these. But we'll see. Right now we're filling this small gap right here. So I'm thinking that price is gonna bounce and just keep going higher and take out these highs. I still have a bullish bias with this. My bias is bullish here. I like how we're trading so far. Let's check the 15-minute. How is the 15-minute moving? Okay, so far so good really. There's nothing to do now because it's what, it's Asia session right now. There's not really, I don't really trade Asia, so there's nothing to really do. So let's go back to the 1 hour. I mean the 4 hour chart. We want to stay on the 4 hour chart to see what are we doing right now. Just seeing what level I already have my levels marked up and what I'm looking for. So more than likely I'm just looking for higher prices. So maybe we could see something like, market comes down and then maybe like something like this and then continue here. Oh Lord. Check out these highs. So that's my outlook for this week, really, going into tomorrow, which is Monday, and then Tuesday. We also have rate announcement on Wednesday, so there's not going to be a trading day, really. But Monday is going to be a trading day. Tuesday, probably not, because it's the day before rates. Sometimes the market can be animated, but I don't think it's going to be too... I'm going to, like, dial risk back down, because I don't think a lot's going to happen. It might just chop around. Because it always does that before, like, a major news event, like rate announcements. So, but based on how price action is moving up here, I'm very hopeful that by tomorrow we could see this become inverted. And also I'm watching this fair value gap right here on the 1 hour chart. This one right here. I'm keeping a close eye on that because that's also gonna be another factor into like letting me know that we're flipping bullish more than likely. So I'm watching this fair value gap to see how price react when it gets up here. And also there's also one right here too on the 15. There's one right here. Let's check the 1 hour again to see if it appears. Doesn't really appear on a 1 hour chart, but it's fine. So, but what I know over here, if we can close above this high, right here, this candle high, if we close above this high, we're definitely gonna see much higher prices. So by tomorrow, by like what, tomorrow 10 a.m. in the morning tomorrow, I'll be on. I'm probably gonna live trade this so I could see if I could get a setup out of this, because I really think we're due to go higher. This is very textbook price action right here. You see, it happened right here too. We had a gap, price came down, then ran. Right here, same thing again. We have a gap in here, came down, I was pushing. So if you really just look at the chart, you can see like that happens a lot. You see, look, gap, come down, then runs. So I expect something of the same attitude to really like take place here. And we also like they come down with last week and then we push back up. So I don't think we're gonna come down again. This time we're definitely gonna go and take out this weekly high and then those daily highs and all these other highs. And the monthly, we're still bullish on the monthly, so I'm leaning toward the bulls because we're bullish on the monthly and we're bullish on the weekly and we're bullish on the daily. So there is nothing that's saying to go short here. So I'm leaning toward longs only. That's what I'm leaning toward. But yeah, that's it for today. This video is not gonna be too long. Thank you for watching.